Now let's talk about the token replacement in routing. Token replacement is basically a new functionality in ASP.NET Core. This was not available in the .NET Framework MVC, and the meaning of token replacement is that we can replace the value of controller and the action method dynamically. Let's say I want to access this particular action method by using the name of our controller and by using the name of the action method. So the first approach is that I have to write it like this, values and then get all, then it will work. But if you are using the functionality of token replacement, then over here I can use the square bracket, and in the square bracket I can simply use the controller like this, and over here in the second type I can simply type action. Now what will happen if you are sending any kind of request, then this value will get replaced dynamically by using the name of this controller. So here will be the values, and this part will get replaced by using the name of this action method. So ultimately the URL will be values and get all. We can also have this similar URL on multiple resources. This time there will not be any ambiguity, because in this situation the name of the action is get all authors, and here the action name was get all, so both the URLs are different. Let's test this URL. So if I'm typing values and then get all, press the enter, we got the value from this hello from get all. And if I'm passing this second action method, press the enter button, then you can notice that we are getting the value from our second action method. If you are using the concept of area in your web application, then you can also pass the area over here in this token replacement. You can define the order as per your need. Let's say you want to have the controller in the second part and you want to have the action in the first part, something like this. Let's update this one also. Now you can access this URL by using the action method name first and then the name of our controller. So it basically depends on you. You can define your template as per the need of your application, but the overall requirement is that it must be unique URL.